Your message center for
Hello?
Plumbing. Can you hold for just a moment, please?
Huh?
Ma'am, can you hold on for a moment, please?
Yes?
Thank you, ma'am.
Talking with you soon. Please hold the line and we'll be right back with you.
Hold on.
Ma'am, thanks for holding. May I help you?
Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Can I help you?
I'm a doctor. You need some help?
I'm sorry?
Yes? What's your name?
This is Rots.
What's your name?
This is Rots of Plumbing, ma'am.
Huh?
It's Rots of Plumbing, ma'am.
What the first name?
I'm sorry?
What the first name? How you spell?
This is a plumbing company. Are you calling a plumbing company?
Huh?
This is a plumbing company. Are you
I don't
calling a
understand what you
plumbing?
say. Can you please say again?
I'm sorry?
Yes?
I can't
you
hear
please
you.
say
Could
again?
you please repeat that?
Can you please say again?
This is Rots of Plumbing. May I help you?
How you spell?
R-O-Z-Z-A.
Yes?
Okay, can you
called?
hold on, please?
Huh? Hello?
Rots of Plumbing. May I help
Hello?
you? Yes, can I help you?
I'm a doctor.
I'm sorry?
You're looking for what? The police?
This is a plumbing company.
Yes?
I'm
Who
sorry,
are you
I know
looking
there's
for?
an
I
echo
can
on the
hear.
line, but this is a plumbing.
Who?
It's a plumbing company.
Who?
Okay, hold on, please.
Forward to talking with
Why?
you soon. Please hold the line
Hello?
and we'll be right back with you.
Yes, can I help you? What message center for Rots of Plumbing. May I help you?
What are you looking for? Why,
I'm sorry?
why you say motherfucker? Why you say?
Sir, I didn't say that.
Yes? Why?
sorry?
Why you say motherfucker? What's your name?
Okay, you know what? This call is being recorded and it can be traced.
No, Hello? This the
Hello?
police?
I'm sorry?
Hello?
Yes.
Yes? What's your name?
Sir, can you call back?
What's your name? Hello?
Sir, are you calling Raza Plumbing?
You're looking for what?
Are you calling Raza Plumbing?
Yes? The police?
What's the problem?
Huh? I don't understand what you say. Can you please say again?